Errors in financial reporting and commission payments are one of the quickest ways to damage business relationships. These are serious issues, and insurers are unable to meet this challenge. Commission payments are still arranged manually via Excel files, leading to mistakes in payment and human error. This is what we at Comarch, as an experienced supplier of a commission settlement system, focus on: efficient management of advanced sales networks and incentive compensation plans in insurance companies, banks, telecom operators and other large organisations is now possible thanks to systems such as Comarch Commission and Incentive platforms. This digital comprehensive platform allows integration of all data related to sales network management. The most necessary areas are sales force management, calculation management and settlement management. This is now all available in one work environment. Data and reports are processed and prepared automatically. The risk of errors within commission is now minimised. So Comarch achieve what is most important for you and eliminate errors in commission payments.